What if I told you that one simple rule could completely fix the way you handle money, and it only involves three numbers: 50, 30, and 20. No complicated spreadsheets. No financial degree required, just one rule that some of the world's top personal finance experts recommend. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to divide every paycheck so your bills are covered, you enjoy your life, and you consistently save and invest for the future. Let's get started. If you've ever reached the end of the month wondering, where did all my money go? This method is for you. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting system that divides your take-home income into three parts. 50% goes to needs, 30% goes to wants. 20% goes to savings and investments. That's it. Just three simple categories. Needs include rent or mortgage, groceries, utility bills, transportation, insurance, and minimum debt payments. These are the essential expenses you can't avoid. If your essential expenses take up more than 50% of your income, it's a sign that reducing fixed costs could improve your financial situation. Next comes the 30% for wants. This includes eating out, streaming subscriptions, shopping, entertainment, hobbies, vacations, and other non-essential purchases. The goal isn't to stop enjoying life. It's to enjoy your money responsibly by staying within a healthy limit. Finally, the most important category, the 20% for savings and investments. This money should go toward your emergency fund, retirement savings, investments like index funds or stocks, and paying off high-interest debt faster. The best strategy is to pay yourself first. As soon as your paycheck arrives, move that 20% into savings or investments before spending anything else. Even better, automate the transfer so you don't have to rely on willpower. Here's a simple example. If your monthly take-home income is $4,000, $2,000 goes to needs, $1,200 goes to wants, and $800 goes to savings and investments. Follow this plan consistently, and you'll build long-term wealth while still enjoying your lifestyle. Remember, the 50-30-20 rule is a guideline, not a strict rule. Let's begin with the first category, needs. These are the expenses you absolutely must pay to live your daily life. Think about your rent or mortgage payment, groceries, electricity, water, internet, transportation, health insurance, and minimum debt payments. If you stop paying for these things, your daily life would become difficult very quickly. That's what makes them needs instead of wants. Many people accidentally classify wants as needs. For example, owning a car may be a need if you rely on it to get to work, but buying a luxury car instead of an affordable one is a want. Having internet at home may be necessary for work, but paying extra for the fastest premium package may not be essential. Learning to tell the difference between needs and wants is one of the most important financial skills you can develop. If your needs already consume more than 50% of your income, don't panic. This doesn't mean you've failed. It simply means you should look for opportunities to reduce fixed expenses over time. Maybe you can negotiate your internet bill, refinance a loan, reduce energy usage, cook more meals at home, or move to a more affordable apartment when your lease ends. Even small changes can create significant savings over time. Now, let's move to the second category, wants. This is the fun part of your budget. These are the things that make life enjoyable but aren't essential for survival. Eating at restaurants, streaming subscriptions, vacations, concerts, gaming, shopping for fashion, hobbies, and upgrading your phone before you actually need to are all examples. One of the biggest myths about budgeting is that you must eliminate everything fun. That's simply not true. A budget that removes all enjoyment is almost impossible to follow for the long term. The reason the 50-30-20 rule works so well is because it actually includes room for fun. Since you've already planned for these expenses, you can enjoy them without feeling guilty or worrying that you're ruining your financial future. The secret is staying within your limit. If your wants begin taking money away from your savings or your essential expenses, that's when problems start. Small purchases may not seem important in the moment, but repeated every week, they can quietly consume thousands of dollars every year. Finally, let's talk about the most powerful category of all: savings and investments. This is where your future is built.